Hello, my name is Stephanie and I'm your window expert from Window City. I hope you find this casement window video helpful. If you would like to stay up to date on future videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon below.
You will find that vinyl windows are the best choice. They are easy to clean and never need painting. Cleaning your new window frames and glass only require a mild soap and water and a soft cloth. On a casement window, simply remove the screen, which is spring-loaded, so simply press down on the bottom corner with one hand and pull out the top with your other hand. Then release the lock and crank the window open to 90 degrees. This will allow you access to both sides of the glass and frame. To clean the glass on the casement both inside and out, we suggest that you use any commercial glass cleaner or mild dish soap and lukewarm water. When you are finished cleaning the glass, rinse with clear water or a damp cloth and wipe dry with a soft cloth. The screen can be cleaned using light water pressure and then wiped with a soft, dry cloth. If you want to use a squeegee, please make sure there aren't any metal edges, as this could permanently damage or scratch the glass. Periodic cleaning of the vinyl helps keep it looking like new. Just wipe the vinyl surfaces with a damp cloth and a mild dish soap and water solution, wipe dry with a clean, dry towel, and you are done. It's important that you do not use harmful cleaning solutions and abrasive compounds, as this could scratch and discolor the surface. To reinstall the screen, place the bottom of the screen in the window opening and press the screen frame down and push it back in place. You are now left with a clean, well-operating window that will give you years of use and pleasure.
If you are building your dream home or renovating your existing home, come to Window City, Canada's most trusted manufacturer of windows and doors.